Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. So in this channel I will be showing you I'll be teaching you Python. Okay, so how to do programming in Python and those things. So again, welcome to my channel. So now day 1, or you can say part 1, introduction to programming. So today we'll be doing introduction to programming. So what is a program? Program is a set of instructions that tells the computer what to do. Okay, so the programs, if we type the code, all of it will be stored in RAM, okay, until they are saved. So what is RAM? RAM is the temporary storage unit of the computer. Then so RAM full form is random access memory. Yeah, random access memory. So if you don't save this now, think there is a power cut and you haven't saved this, okay, the program, then all the code, when the power comes back on, if you see there is no code, it's all lost. So you have to save it, and if you save it, it will be saved in ROM. And ROM is the permanent storage unit of the computer, and ROM full form is read only memory. And programs, right, back to the programs are also written to solve problems, okay. Then the what is the use of Python? Okay, so just like we use English, right, the computers, they also understand another language, okay, it's called as binary language, you can see here, okay. So but no, this binary language, it just has zeros and ones, okay. Zero means off, one means on. So, how can we possibly use this binary language to write a program, right? No, so that's where Python comes in. Python is used to translate binary language into high-level language. So, what is high-level language? High-level language is like a language that both can understand, the computer and us, the humans. Okay. So, another use, no, this Python, it's more easier than all the programs. Like it's easy to learn. Like think if I have to print one line, okay, like if I have to print hello user, okay, just imagine just one line of code. Think in other languages, like think Java, then you should type 6 lines just to say hello user. So that's why many people now they use Python for their programming. Okay, so yeah, that's it for today's video. Please do like, share and subscribe. See you in the next video.